Hi, I'm Matilda, and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I am also a trainer of internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So, if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link on the courses in the description down below for more information. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you are interested in the topics that I'm sharing in this channel, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of my favorite oils for promoting hair growth. Before we begin, I'd like to share that as our scalp is very sensitive, do not apply essential oils directly to our scalp. I recommend that you add the essential oils to a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil or jojoba oil or black seed oil or argan oil or aloe vera gel or to a chemical-free shampoo. Do watch to the end of this video to learn how you can mix your essential oils to the different carriers and for a bonus hair growth blend recipe. If you like this video that you're watching, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash that like button and share it with your friends. Before we dive into what essential oils are good for hair growth, we need to first understand what are some of the common causes for hair loss. First and foremost, one of the common causes is stress. Aromatherapy works very well for stress management, hence, using essential oils for hair growth when it's related to stress may be helpful. Another common cause will be due to hormonal imbalance linked to high levels of androgens, including DHT. DHT can shrink our hair follicles as well as shorten this cycle, causing hair to grow out thinner and more brittle and fall out faster. DHT also makes it more difficult for the new hairs to grow out after the old hairs fall out. There are some essential oils that may help reduce levels of DHT, which I'll be sharing later. Besides DHT, an imbalance in estrogen levels may also lead to hair loss. Do check out my video on estrogen imbalance after this video to see what are some of the signs if you suspect you suffer from an imbalance in estrogen levels. Another common cause is due to oily scalp. For this, we can use essential oils that help to clean up the scalp and absorb the excess oils that block the pores. There are other causes like hereditary, age, diet, and childbirth. If your pores are still open, there's still hope. But if your scalp is bold and shiny, essential oils will not help much. Now let's take a look at what are some of the essential oils that may help with hair growth if it's due to the first three causes. A study done in 2015 done on mice shows that by applying lavender oil topically on their backs daily for 4 weeks changes the hair follicle number, dermal thickness, and hair follicle depth. The study used both 3% and 5% concentration of lavender oil diluted with jojoba oil. Lavender helps promote hair growth, increase thickness of hair, and keeps bacteria and fungus away. Adding 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil to a tablespoon of carrier oil and massaging it into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes will help a lot. Using lavender before sleep will be most suitable as it is relaxing and promotes restful sleep too. Do check out my video on lavender for its other uses in the link above and in the description below after you have finished watching this video. Rosemary is another essential oil that I recommend for promoting hair growth. Another study done in 2015 shows that people with DHT-related hair loss saw significant hair growth after using it for 6 months. Rosemary improves circulation to the scalp and helps inhibit DHT, which causes hair loss, as I mentioned earlier in this video on causes of hair loss. It also helps prevent inflammation, which keeps your scalp healthy. As rosemary helps increase our energy levels, I recommend that you use it at least 4 hours before sleep. Do check out my video on rosemary for its other uses as well after you have finished this video. As we age and approach menopause, our estrogen levels decline and that also leads to hair loss. If you suspect your hair loss is due to low estrogen levels, I recommend that you use clary sage. While clary sage itself does not contain estrogen, it contains a compound called sclareol, which mimics the effects of estrogen in the body. For this reason, clary sage may be effective at reducing some of the symptoms of menopause and low estrogen levels. Besides helping to balance our estrogen levels, clary sage is also a highly relaxing oil, and adding it to your shampoo or hair treatments may help reduce stress levels with its aroma too. However, I recommend that you avoid clary sage during pregnancy and for young kids. A study done in 2014 on mice shows that by applying peppermint oil topically on their backs daily for 4 weeks with a concentration of 3%, peppermint oil diluted with jojoba oil remarkably promoted hair growth from week 2 onwards. Like rosemary, peppermint oil promotes blood circulation to the scalp, has anti-inflammatory properties, and is also antibacterial and antiseptic. The menthol content in peppermint also leaves a cooling, tingling sensation to our scalp, leaving us feeling invigorated. Again, like rosemary, peppermint is an energizing oil, hence I recommend you use it at least 4 hours before sleep. When it comes to cedarwood, it's all about the scalp. The way that cedarwood essential oil contributes to hair growth is by keeping your scalp healthy and happy. Cedarwood helps in balancing the oil sebum in the scalp, leading to healthier strands. It also helps to reduce dry or flaky scalp and brittle hair. Cedarwood also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can treat different scalp conditions leading to dandruff or hair loss. The aroma of cedarwood is also very calming and is great for reducing nervous tension. Besides using it for the hair, cedarwood is great for skincare and for promoting deep sleep as well. While copaiba has no direct impact on hair growth, it is a great complement to rosemary essential oil, as rosemary may dry out the hair when added to shampoo, whereas copaiba acts like a conditioner to soften the hair. Copaiba is an awesome anti-inflammatory agent as well, hence if you have an itchy and irritated scalp that's inflamed, copaiba will be a great add-on. Do check out my video on copaiba to learn more of its other uses. So thank you for watching this video to the end and for all your support. Here is a blend that I created just for all of you to promote hair growth. So there we go, this is the ultimate hair growth blend. So for every 100 ml of carrier oil or chemical-free shampoo, I recommend that you add 30 drops each of rosemary and lavender, and 10 drops each of peppermint, cedarwood, and copaiba. Although rosemary has a tendency to elevate blood pressure, while lavender lowers blood pressure, since we are adding equal amount of rosemary and lavender to this blend, they balance one another out, and also because it's highly diluted, it's fine whether you have high blood pressure or low blood pressure. And it's best to shampoo your hair twice each time you bathe. This is a tip that's given by my hairdresser, and I find that it does help in terms of making your scalp squeaky clean, removing those excess oils that might block your pores and lead to hair loss. For those of you wondering how much essential oils should you add to your shampoo or carrier oils, as a general rule of thumb, I'd recommend 3% to 5% concentration of essential oils in the entire bottle of shampoo or carrier oil. For every 100 ml of shampoo, that will be 50 to 100 drops in total of essential oils. You can also add 10 to 15 drops of essential oil to a tablespoon of carrier oil or aloe vera gel and massage it into your scalp and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes each time. Whether you are adding the essential oils to your shampoo or to a carrier oil, I'd like to set your expectations right. Essential oils are nature's amazing gift for us, but it is not a miracle oil. You do need to use it conscientiously daily for at least 6 months to see good results. Hence, if you know you're the lazy kind or forgetful kind, it's best to add the essential oils to your shampoo so that you will use it every day. Some of you may think that the essential oils are so expensive and we add so many drops to the shampoo. Wouldn't it be a waste to just wash it away? No, it is not wasteful. Let me tell you why. Number one, when we take a warm shower, our pores open up, making it easier for the essential oils to absorb into our scalps. So when you shampoo, leave it on for a few minutes before washing it off. And number two, because we are using chemical-free shampoo and beneficial essential oils that are entirely plant-based, we are actually doing our part in saving the earth by not washing more chemicals down the drains and into the oceans. And guess what? All this water goes to the sea eventually and gets back into our water system, and we end up drinking it again. Hence, the more environmentally friendly our personal care products, the better it is for mankind. Besides using essential oils to support you in your journey in regaining your glorious mane, you may also wish to look into your nutrition intake. You may be deficient in certain vitamins and minerals that lead to hair loss. Do check out my upcoming video on what are some of the supplements you can take to promote hair growth as well. While this video is focused on promoting hair growth, do check out my other video on how you can use essential oils for the various hair types and scalp conditions if you'd like to know more about what oils to use for the hair. So if you like this video, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share about what essential oils are good for hair growth today. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for being here. I will be most grateful if you could share this video with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.